Hey guys, Xiaomi best-selling Mi Band lineup has got a new update today, the Mi Band 5. The new wearable brings significant upgrades to the company's smart band family, including a new magnetic charging design, a larger dynamic OLED display, and new sports modes. The band also comes with a brighter display that goes up to 450 nits, improving its visibility outdoors. The new Mi Band 5 retains the same pill-shaped design of the Mi Band 4, and has a variety of wristband colors. You can choose the TPU wristband in 8 different colors, which include graphite black, deep space blue, dynamic orange, bronze purple, vibrant yellow, light green, dark cyan, and ivory. The Xiaomi Mi Band 5 comes with a large 1.2-inch dynamic color AMOLED display, protected by a scratch-resistant 2.5D glass on top. This marks a significant increase in its screen size, more than 20%, allowing more information to be displayed at a glance. Another highlight of the new display is the support for new dynamic animated watch faces. You get over 100 new animated watch faces, and there are some special ones based on characters. Considering the current situation across the globe, where indoor, home exercises are gaining popularity, Xiaomi has added 5 new indoor modes for the newly launched Mi Band 5. This includes indoor machine and floor exercises like rowing machine, elliptical machine, skipping rope, yoga, and indoor cycling. The Mi Band 5 comes with the photoplethysmogram (PPG) biosensor for accurate 24/7 heart rate monitoring. Xiaomi claims that the new wearable increases the accuracy of irregular heart rate monitoring by up to 50%. Sleep tracking also gets an upgrade, and its accuracy has gone up by 40%. It can also show you how many hours of REM sleep you've had every night, in addition to deep and light sleep. Xiaomi Mi Band 5, for the first time, will also calculate your personal activity intelligence score. PAI is calculated by monitoring your heart rate, and gives you a fair idea of your physical activity every week. A PAI score of 100, or more in a week indicates that you have an active lifestyle. Each generation of the Mi Band has had at least 2 weeks of battery life. But charging the device was a painful process. You had to manually remove the device from the wristband, and place it in the charging cradle. Plus, there were a lot of complaints regarding the charger's design. The Xiaomi Mi Band 5 finally solves this pain point by using a magnetic charger. The charger easily connects to the 2 charging pins on the device, so you no longer have to remove it from the wristband. The new Mi Band comes with 14-day battery life, so you just have to do it once every 2 weeks. It's also waterproof up to 50 meters, just like its predecessor. The Mi Band 5 comes in 2 variants, NFC and non-NFC. The NFC variant is slightly more expensive, at 229 yuan, $32, but the non-NFC variant is priced at just 189 yuan, $27. The Mi Band 5 will go on sale on June 18th, at 10 a.m. in China. So guys, what do you think about Mi Band 5? Share your opinion down below.